5G is here, and it's changing the way we connect to the world. But what exactly is 5G? How does it work, and what does it mean for you in your everyday life? In this video, we'll break down the technology behind 5G, explore its benefits, and debunk some common myths. Let's dive in. To understand 5G, let's start with the basics. 5G, or the fifth generation of wireless technology, is the successor to 4G LTE. Each generation of wireless networks has brought new capabilities. 1G introduced mobile calls, 2G added text messaging, 3G brought mobile internet, 4G revolutionized streaming and app usage, and now, 5G takes connectivity to the next level by offering faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect millions of devices simultaneously. 5G works by using three types of frequency bands. 1. Low-band spectrum, provides wide coverage but moderate speeds. 2. Mid-band spectrum, balances speed and coverage, perfect for urban areas. 3. High-band spectrum, mmWave offers lightning-fast speeds but has a shorter range, requiring more small cells. Small cells are key to 5G's success. These are mini base stations placed on streetlights, buildings, and other structures to ensure seamless coverage, especially in crowded areas. Let's talk about what 5G brings to the table. 5G can deliver download speeds that are 10 times faster than 4G, enabling you to download a full 4K movie in seconds or stream high-resolution videos without buffering. Latency, or the time it takes for data to travel between devices, is significantly reduced with 5G. This means smoother gaming, faster response times for apps, and even real-time control of remote devices. 5G can support over 1 million devices per square kilometer, making it the backbone of smart cities, connected homes, and autonomous vehicles. With its ultra-reliable connections, 5G is paving the way for critical applications like remote surgery, industrial automation, and disaster response systems. Despite its benefits, 5G has been the subject of several myths. Let's set the record straight. Some people worry about 5G's health effects, but research from organizations like the FDA and WHO confirms that 5G operates within safe radiation limits, similar to previous wireless technologies. While 5G offers incredible speeds, it's not a replacement for Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is still more cost-effective for home and office use, while 5G excels in mobile and outdoor environments. 5G isn't just about speed. It's the foundation for next-gen technologies like self-driving cars, augmented reality, and smart factories. So, how does 5G impact your daily life? For most people, it means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and better connectivity in crowded areas. For businesses, it enables automation, remote work, and advanced analytics. And for industries like healthcare, agriculture, and transportation, it drives innovation and efficiency. 5G is still evolving. In the future, it will power technologies like augmented reality glasses, fully autonomous vehicles, and even space exploration. The possibilities are endless. To recap, 5G offers faster speeds, lower latency, and massive connectivity, making it a game changer for how we live, work, and play. While there are myths and misconceptions, the reality is that 5G is here to make our lives better. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech trends. Let us know in the comments how 5G has impacted your life. See you in the next video.